tonight's little dinner recipe, I am going to be making a chicken sausage, spinach, mushroom pasta with a little bit of kick and spice to it. What you're going to need are a couple things. You're going to need a chicken breast, some mushrooms, some spinach, a smoked sausage, some pasta of your choice, some cayenne pepper, some ground paprika. Of course, you're gonna want some black pepper and salt, and then also a jar or a can of tomato pesto, whichever brand, doesn't really matter. Some garlic salt, if I didn't say that already, and then of course roasted garlic Alfredo. Anyway, so I've already got my pan, and also I already got my water boiling for the pasta. So now that you know what you need, let's get started and start chopping up this sausage. Okie dokie. So in this clip, I'm gonna be adding some seasoning to my chicken. So what I added was black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and then also garlic salt. Just FYI. So in this piece, you guys, I actually added my pesto sauce to my Alfredo, and I am cooking it together. Okay guys, so in this mix, I actually mixed up everything. I mixed up my cooked sausage, I mixed up my cooked chicken, I added spinach, and then I also added my sauteed mushrooms. Or actually, no, they're just mushrooms. And then I added my sauces together, which was the Alfredo, and I did add Parmesan cheese in there. And then I also tossed in my pesto sauce and mixed it all together. And it came out to this chunky, cheesy looking consistency. Then everybody, so in this last step, I actually am mixing everything together. I tossed in my noodles and my leftover sauce into a different pot, and then I added my whole entire mixture of spinach, chicken, mushroom, and sausage all into one pot, and then I went ahead and mixed it all together very well so that there was no dry pieces of pasta in sight. And must I say, it came out really motherfucking good. I must be a fucking chef ordi or something. But no, for real, it came out really good that I even had to get like a second half plate because it's just too much carbs if I were to got a full plate. So I had to go for a second half plate. And it was really good. I mean, look at that, really creamy and saucy and juicy. Ooh, look at that shit right there. But no, it was really good. It came out really good. And so last but not least, I went ahead and also added some Parmesan cheese on top, which just finished. It was like the final touch of this dish. It came out really good. Oh, and also I did have some sriracha, of course, with this pasta dish, because you know us Mexicanos or Mexicanas can't eat shit without fucking salsa, hot sauce, some type of fucking chile. Well, at least in my family, we have to have some type of hot sauce. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you do try this out, let me know in the comments how it came out. And if you tried anything different, also let me know so I can try it out. But I hope you guys like and subscribe to this video and enjoy this dish.